boys and girls, this is Miss Blatt. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome to our experiment of the day. We are going to be making a mini volcanic eruption, and we're doing it because we are talking about different ways that the land can change quickly. And one of them is through having a volcanic eruption. We've talked previously about things that change over thousands and millions of years, such as erosion and weathering. But today we're going to talk about something that happens very quickly and changes the land surface quickly as well. So first things first, we have a cup. Okay, you will need some water, which I'll give you the recipe exactly when we pour it in. You need some vinegar. You need a little bit of dish soap. The star is our baking soda, and you need some measuring spoons, some measuring cups, something called a funnel, and then some basic food coloring, red to make it look like it's the eruption. Okay? Now, you can't do this at home by yourself. You need a parent to help you because there is a chemical reaction. And if you have something called goggles, like you don't wear them like this, you wear them over your eyes for protection. If you have them, wear them. If you don't have them, step back a little bit from the volcano when it starts to erupt. Okay, so first things first, we need to take 3 tablespoons, and this is 1 tablespoon. We're going to put 3 tablespoons and make them nice and flat. 1, 2, 3, and now I need to put in 2/3 cup of water. This is 1/3. I need 2/3. So I'm going to fill this up with water 2 times. Okay? And pour it in gently into the baking soda. Okay, and then it says I need to put in 1 teaspoon of dish soap. So I'm going to do that now. And a little extra squirt, because some of it's stuck. And then I am going to be stirring this solution. So give me a second. And then I'm going to stir it all up so it's not so clumpy. And try to make sure that there's not anything left at the bottom. Okay, so we only need now to add some food coloring, a couple drops. Let's make 3 or 4 drops of food coloring. And then I'm going to add our vinegar. They say to start out with a 1/2 cup of vinegar. And then if it doesn't erupt right away, friends, okay, and I'm going to, before I even do that, I'm going to go ahead and mix up the color because I want it to look really red when it erupts. So there we go. I mixed it up. Okay. Now Now I'm going to use a half cup first, or I'm going to fill up a whole cup, and I'm going to pour slowly, and if we don't need all of it, I can pour it back into the vinegar can. Okay, now baking soda and vinegar should have a chemical reaction that starts to make things bubble and erupt called carbon dioxide. Let's see if this works. Woo! Do you guys see it? Do you see the eruption? Look, look, look. I'm going to lift it up. Do you see all the stuff that came out? Let's try a little more, so see. Do you see it happening? Do you see it foaming? And it's erupting all over. So cool. Just like a volcano erupting on the land surface. This is a mini one. I hope you enjoyed seeing it happen. The only thing I would do different is to add some more food coloring, boys and girls. But I hope you enjoyed this. You will be getting a recipe of how to do this and another one after we are done today. Take care. Bye-bye.